Morning, all of you.
Good morning.
First of all, I would like to say thanks to my respected sir who has given me this golden opportunity to stand here and speak something. So, today I will tell you about a letter to God. This is the chapter of 10th class of prose. So, in this story, there are three characters. First, the main character of Lancho, and second his wife, and third one the postmaster. So, in this story, the Lancho was a hardworking farmer. So, we are say that he do hard work like a ox, and his faith on God a lot of, because he only faith on God, and his house situated on a low hill. So one day Lancho said to his wife that because he need a rain, because in his field need a rain. He thought that at least a shower is happening, but as he said that the rain began to start. Then he go outside of his home and he said that big drops are 10 cents and small drops are 5 cents. So suddenly, as he said that, suddenly the hailstone began to fall. That he was feared because the hailstones are very big and his harvest is destroyed by the hailstorm, and he kept on thought that at this year we are hunger, but after that he thought that whole night that no one dies of hunger. So he decided that I write the letter to God. So the next day on Sunday he go and write a letter because he know that how to write. So he write that I need 100 pesos because my harvest destroyed by the hailstorm, and if you don't give me the pesos, then in this year we are become hungry. So after write he put off the letter in the mailbox. After that the postman come and pick off the letter and take the postmaster. When the postmaster read the letter, then they are laughed a lot of. After that he was serious because they thought that what the faith of God, who is he, and after that the postmaster is kind person and also he is honest, and he thought that if we help that person, then he serve his harvest again. Then he collect the money, but it is impossible to the postmaster 100 pesos. Then he was not able to collect the 100 pesos, so he only collect the 70 pesos. After that, next Sunday, Lancho was come and asked to postmaster, did any letter come for me or not? Then the postmaster said, yeah. Then the postmaster gave the letter himself. Then when the Lancho count the money, then Lancho become anger because he thought that the God is not do mistake, and after that he go and beg a letter and write a letter. In that letter he write that the employee of post office is the bunch of crops, and God don't give me the money by the mail. And when the post office employees read this letter, then they are very sad because he also helped him, and he said to them they are the bunch of the crops. So that's all.